Yardley Ski Auditing is the source of today's video. You may support them by visiting the link below and watching the entire video. In today's episode, a man films a building, the riskiest behavior known to British law enforcement. And as a result, he is accused of terrorism, racial profiling, and the weakest hostile reconnaissance claim in history. As we go through this audit one point at a time, relax and have fun.
Oh, can I ask you what you're doing here?
Say that again?
Can I ask you what you're doing?
Yeah.
Yeah, so what are you doing? Police.
Who are you?
What are you doing?
Who are you?
Police officer.
Okay, but hold on a second.
Can you?
Wait. Hold on, what's the problem?
You're filming a police building.
Yeah, but what? You haven't told me who you are.
PC 1207 AW all attached to Charing Cross Police Station.
Just calm down.
Okay.
Calm down.
And I'm wondering why you're filming this building.
Why are you wondering that?
Because it's a police building.
Usually, this is where it begins. For what reason are you filming? Crucial point. In the UK, filming from a public location, even a police station, does not require justification. There is no legal requirement that you provide a valid explanation before using a camera, but it's still only a talk at this point. Power, stops, and detentions are all prohibited unless the officer can demonstrate both legitimate and unlawful authority. However, observe how fast it transitions from curiosity to control.
What's the matter with him?
I'm a police officer as well.
No, you've got to identify. You guys, what are you doing on the phone? Get off the phone. Tell him to get off the phone.
Getting off the phone?
Do you know what? I'm not having this.
Yeah, you're having this?
No, I'm not.
Bear with us, bear with us.
No, I'm not bearing with you. Are you identifying yourself? Huh? What's he doing? Tell him to stop. Tell him to stop. I can't see it. Well, tell me who you are then. DC, show me your badge, because I don't. That could be a.
I'm not going to put.
Go away. I don't care. Well, go away then. Go away. All of you, go away. Leave me alone.
I'm an off-duty officer.
You better tell him to stop following me.
Field Centre in Hendon.
You better tell him to stop following me.
There's a male who was filming buildings.
Was
am.
You better tell him to stop following me. You're DC. You're PC.
Really
tell him.
Come
on. What's your name again?
Potentially a unit maybe that could.
What's your name again? What's your name? What's your name?
Warrant number is 239.
Where are you based?
It's none of your business.
Shut up. Of course it's my business. You're standing there in front of me. Have you stopped me?
I'm just standing here.
Well, go away then. Go away. Tell him to stop me.
No, mate. My friend, you're
yeah, go on. What?
IC6 male.
Are you detaining me? Are you detaining me? If not, stop harassing me. Stop harassing me. Get out of my way. Get out of my way. Right, that's it. That's it. You're assaulted. Okay, you're detaining me.
Do you walk into me?
You said that he's detaining me. You said that he's detaining me. No, I'm going in this direction. Are you detaining me?
IC6.
Are you detaining me?
Yeah, you detain my friend. Terrorism legislation.
There you go.
Section 43, Terrorism Act. Okay?
There you go.
It is a serious matter when an officer violates Section 43. That is the force of terrorism. They should only use that one if they truly believe you are a terrorist based on your actual actions. And what's going on here? Openly recording a structure while conversing with people in daylight. That is in no way a basis for terrorism. Section 43 requires precise factual suspicion. It does not require conjecture, assumptions, or a certain appearance. I'm going to detain him to appease my own ego because he didn't respond the way I wanted.
There you go.
Wearing a face covering, black jacket, beige trousers.
What's going on?
He's filming the building.
Are you police as well?
Probably Arabic male. Wearing a face covering.
Arabic male? What's that?
Yeah.
What's he talking about? Are you part of this detainment? Yeah?
I'm here supporting my colleague.
Yeah,
are you part of it? Being detained?
He's detained here.
So are you part of it, yeah? You part of it as well? Huh? Alright then, yeah, you're all part of it. You're a police officer? If you are, identify yourself.
First of all, I'm off duty, I'm going to work.
Well, go to work then. Go to work then. Identify yourself, you're in plain clothes.
And what are you so upset about?
You're in plain clothes. Because he's detaining me, he's impeding my right.
Well, have I been there when he's detained you?
Well, go away then.
No,
it's got nothing to do with you. Well, then identify yourself.
Okay, mate, I'll identify.
I'm not your mate, stop calling me mate.
I don't know, I've just come across him now, so literally 2 minutes before I called you.
Go on.
Based at the police station.
Okay, alright, cool. Now we all know where we are, yeah? Cool.
What is this? Is this one of these auditing things?
What?
Is this one
I'm
of these
detained under
auditing
Section 43 of the Terrorism Act.
Alright.
So as far as he's concerned, I'm a terrorist.
Are you one of those
apart from me, tell him. As far as he's concerned, I'm a terrorist. Ask him.
Right, well,
talk to him then. He's telling me I'm detained. No, what do you mean calm myself down? He just detained me for no reason.
You've got your camera in our face.
Yeah. No. You came to me.
I didn't come to you.
Well, of course you come to me, so stop saying in our face. Yeah, so don't talk about the camera. Don't talk about the camera. Don't talk about the camera, alright? I'm filming for my own safety.
The camera is the only thing keeping this honest, so see how the officer wants to stop talking about it. It is perfectly acceptable to film for your personal protection. You are recording what is being stated, what authority is being exercised, and the duration of your detention. An officer shouldn't be bothered by video if they are certain they are acting legally. They usually know the grounds are weak when they are desperate to control the narrative.
And they will look into this, but you will appreciate...
I don't want to hear what you got to say, shut up.
So why are you asking me then if you don't want to hear
I just want the detainment slip, that's all I want.
Yeah, you get that as soon as
Alright, anything else, wait until your colleagues come. Wait until your colleagues come. Wait until your colleagues come then.
Okay, alright, I appreciate it. You happy for us to have a look at the footage you've taken from this building? Okay, we'll wait for our colleagues to come. Apparently a unit has been assigned.
What's the CAD number?
I can give you that CAD number in a second. Okay.
Mate, we're off duty.
Don't call me mate, stupid. I keep on telling you. Stupid. Stop calling me mate, stupid.
To call someone mate,
stupid.
Stupid, isn't it?
Stupid. Stop calling me mate.
What would you?
I've told you what to call me.
What would you like to be referred to?
Well,
Sir.
I haven't told you to call me stupid, but you're still
I don't
calling me
care.
that.
But you are stupid. You're standing there, and I'm under detainment, and you know what I'm doing. So just stop it. Don't call me mate, because I ain't your mate.
Don't call me stupid.
I will call you stupid. You are stupid.
All right, thank you.
So go on then, say it.
What?
I'll call you mate because you are my mate. Yeah? If that logic.
What?
Exactly. So stop calling me it. Stupid.
Have you got nothing better to do with your time than get YouTube views for your? What is this it? And we're trying to do a job. We've got things to be doing today, mate. And we're here.
Stupid.
With you.
Go and do it.
We're just waiting here.
Off you go, stupid.
Hey, you've got to get a few views from this.
Stupid.
This is 2025, mate. This is 2025. What can you do?
Are you okay though? Is there a reason you're doing this?
Attention, isn't it?
I don't know. So I'm asking.
I think it's YouTube views. Personally, I might be wrong. That's what I think it is.
Yeah, hopefully that would be ideal.
Yeah, that would be great. And there's nothing wrong with it, mate. If you want to film outside a police station, there's absolutely no law that prevents you from doing this.
It's wise to request a slip. It compels the officer to put their arguments in writing. Who, what authority, and why did they stop you? Many poor stops depend on customers leaving with nothing on paper. Once a record is created, it might be utilized in a civil lawsuit, contested, or protested about. Once more, if an officer is certain that their actions were legal, they shouldn't feel uncomfortable putting their justifications in plain sight.
How old are you, mate? How old are you? I mean, it's shocking, mate. It's absolutely shocking that this is what people fill their time with. What I think's more shocking, personally, is that people watch this stuff. I'll probably give it a watch myself, actually, if I'm in it.
So is it the YouTube channel? Where can we watch ourselves?
Where you going?
Right,
no. I want my.
Okay, in that case.
Yeah.
Wait, you haven't been searched. You haven't been searched.
I've been stopped.
You've been
stopped?
stopped?
I've been detained.
Okay. Well, my colleague here's had a chat with the supervisor.
But I've been detained. So I want the paperwork.
I'm happy for you to no longer be detained. However, if you would like,
so do you know what? Yous lot need to go and get yourselves alive. You need to go and get yourself alive. There's no way to talk to a member of the public, you know. There's no way to talk to a member. Even if you know what I'm doing, you should be polite. You should be professional. And you, my friend, well, you're not my friend either, but you've been stupid. That's what you are. You have just been a nutter, right? And you, right, I'm not being funny, but for DC, you ain't got no leadership. I told you in the beginning to talk to him. I switched my camera off because I was going to have a genuine conversation. Okay, and do you know what this DC said? You could probably have an audio. That's how much trust this guy, him, would have in me.
All right, so I'm filling in this subset for you now.
Okay.
If you're interested, I can explain it to you.
Of course. If I'm interested, yeah.
So I've put here that you have declined your details, which you're entitled to. And for my search grounds, as I had explained to you earlier, you were paying close and undue attention to a police building. There's security cameras, security features all around. And to me, it did look as if you were filming those. Okay. This could be a sign of hostile reconnaissance.
This is the giveaway. The moment they discover he is one of those auditors, the tone shifts. This suddenly has nothing to do with security or terrorism. It has to do with perception. However, whether a person is an auditor, a tourist, or just a bystander is irrelevant to the law. Section 43's threshold remains unchanged. You never had a legitimate suspicion of terrorism in the first place if your suspicions vanish as soon as you hear YouTube.
Even so, you're overtly filming, you know, that doesn't mean... Hostile reconnaissance doesn't mean it has to be covertly filming. You also tried to walk away and didn't engage with me, so how could I, engage in a stop and help with you? After my
Did I need to stop? Did I need to stop?
After my colleagues had showed up, okay, it became clear that you are what some people would call an auditor, and you probably have your own YouTube channel. And then there was no longer a suspicion on my side that you are conducting hostile reconnaissance. You were filming this building, you were filming.
So I can't film the building. So could I film the building? Because I'm going back to film the building.
Again, why are you filming
No,
cameras?
no. I'm asking, can I film that building?
Yes.
Okay, that's all I need to know.
Yeah.
Foxtrot, Oscar, get lost, you're dismissed.
Thank you very much.
Covert behaviour is the primary focus of hostile reconnaissance in UK terror guidelines. Unusual patterns, frequent visits, testing security, and not attempting to be seen. This auditor is fighting in public. The camera is fully visible. That is the exact opposite of being covert. That is overt. You are not applying the law if your description of the behavior differs from the term you are citing. It's being stretched to suit your emotions. And that's really risky. The punchline is this. On video, the officer affirms that recording the structure is permitted. Therefore, he now acknowledges that the very behavior he said was suspicious is legal, typical, and acceptable. The entire Section 43 detention collapses if the single suspicious act is something he freely acknowledges you are permitted to do. In counter-terror policing is what's left. To deal with their personal unease about being filmed, a number of police are utilizing the terrorism law. Even in situations where no law has been broken, encounters such as this demonstrate how easily police officers rely on coercion, authority, and intimidation to obtain compliance. In situations like this, the majority of people give up because they are unaware of their rights. You're not required to. The link to my Know Your Rights guide is provided below. Go through it. Use it and save it. I appreciate everyone watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Tranquilly.